If you're willing to sell your t-shirts on Amazon but you're confused like which kind of design are best selling on Amazon, so you can create those designs and actually get a lot of sales. So in this video I'm going to share with you a free method from which you can actually do the proper niche research for your Amazon merch business, so you can find the best selling niche which is having high demand and low competition, and you can start creating your design or artwork in that niche and find the keyword in that niche. So you can also upload some design which are untapped and having high demand and low competition, so the chances for your t-shirts to get sale will be super high. So all of the information about that free tool you will get in this video step by step. So keep on watching this video till the end, because this video is going to be super awesome for you if you are a merch by Amazon seller, or if you are thinking to start selling t-shirts on Amazon without any investment. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon.com right now, and here I have just searched funny slogan t-shirts. So after typing that keyword, I can find many of the t-shirts here which are best selling and actually having good sales. You can see that the price of this t-shirt is $17, this t-shirt is $16.99, and if I go down, I can see many of the t-shirts having good price and they are actually selling a lot. So now here, if you are a merch by Amazon seller, so it will be super hard for you to find the good ideas that can actually sell, because every seller want to find those keywords which people are actually searching, and there are not good design present on Amazon for that t-shirt. So they can actually create those designs and get a lot of traffic and a lot of sales. Just like this, you can see that this is a t-shirt and it's a simple t-shirt. Like the slogan which is written here is, I pause my game to be here. And you can see that this t-shirt is having more than 18,000 reviews and $18.99 is the selling price. So if you find out the total sales of this t-shirt and multiply it by 18.99, then you can just imagine how much money this seller is actually making. So if we open this listing, so we can see that this is basically a simple design, and the design is actually available in many colors like green, white, red, yellow. And if we go up, we can see the store name, which is Feeling Good Tea Store. So if we click on that store, so we will be able to see all the design for this store. So the number one method to find out the keyword ideas or niche idea is to spy on your competitor. Like go on Amazon.com, search for any t-shirt like pet t-shirt, girls t-shirt, music t-shirt, and find out some best selling t-shirt, and go on their listing, visit their storefront, and here you will be able to find out all of those designs which those sellers are selling. You can see that if I click on funny t-shirt, then I will be able to see all of those t-shirts which this seller is selling, and these are actually funny t-shirts. So you can see that all of those t-shirts are having good reviews like 8,000 reviews, 700, 19, 1,000, and they're actually selling a lot. But the cool thing about this is that if we see the design of these t-shirts, so the design is super simple. Like you can see that, can I pet your dog? So this is a simple design, and I can create this artwork or design on Canva in just 1 minute. So what does that mean? Like it's not about design, it's about keyword. Like we need to find out the keyword which people are searching. We need to find out a good niche. So if we go down and if we see all of those t-shirts which this seller is selling, so we can find out many good ideas. So number one thing is that we can just take the ideas from here and search for those ideas on Amazon.com. Like, can I pet your dog? So if you type this phrase on Amazon, so you will find many other t-shirts as well and find many other keywords, and you can see how much competitive these keywords are. For example, if I go on Amazon again and type here pet slogan t-shirts. So if I type that keyword, so on the left side you can see that over 2,000 results for this keyword. That means on this keyword there are 2,000 t-shirts listed here. So that means this is a high demand and low competition keyword having less t-shirt. And if I go down, I can see many phrases like my children bark, and if I go down, I can see many of the other t-shirts as well. So you can see that these t-shirts are actually selling. So you can just keep scrolling down and find out some best selling t-shirt and look at their title, look at the description, like what keyword they are using. So you need to find out all of those keywords, go above in the search bar and try out all of those keywords one by one with multiple combinations. So in that way, you will be able to find out some keyword ideas and niche ideas. So this was the method number one. So if you do so, and if you practice this method for at least 1 or 2 hours, so you will be able to find many good ideas for t-shirt which you can create on Canva and upload those designs. And when you keep uploading all of those designs, so you can start getting sales. So now the method number 2, and that method is to take the help of a tool called Merch Dominator. So if you go on Google and type Merch Dominator, so you will be able to see this first website, merchdominator.com. Here you can see that this is a completely free tool for Merch by Amazon keyword research. So if you click here, sign up for free, so you will be able to see something like this. You can see that this is my Merch Dominator dashboard, and here it says that free full access is live now. You can see that all of the feature of this tool is free, and if we go on the left, you can see that we are currently on home page right now, and here I can see some of the listing here. And if we just scroll down on the left bar and click on research section, so here we can see some tabs like bestseller, seller trend, brands, and live research. So here you can find out some print on demand trends which are actually best selling right now. So you can just plan your keyword research or uploading strategies as per the trend right now. But if you don't want to follow any trend, you want to follow bestseller, so you can click on this bestseller tab. So you will be able to see all of those popular bestseller t-shirts which are selling right now on Amazon Merch. So as you can see here, I just click on that. So from here, you can just select your marketplace, which is USA right now, and you can select your product type, which is t-shirt. And if you go down, you will be able to find many of the t-shirts which are good and best selling right now. So if you scroll down, you can just find many of the good ideas from here as well. And if you go up again and click on this filter like advanced option and click here, so here you will be able to find some categories. Like if you scroll down, so you can see like baby's t-shirt, boys t-shirt, girl t-shirt, or dog t-shirt. So from here you can just select any category you want, and you can just put some more filter like BSR, price range, and rating. So for example, if you want some dog t-shirts having BSR less than 10,000, having price more than $20, and having rating more than $4.5, so you can just put out all of those filter here and click on search. So after doing that, you will be able to see all of those t-shirts for dogs having low BSR, high sales, and good rating. So you can also play around with this tool here and find out many t-shirt ideas you want. So as I say in online business, the more you do the research, more things will be clear to you. So right after watching this video, go there and start doing your keyword research and find the best niche for you that basically suits your store. You can just either take the help of this tool, or you can just either take the help of that method which I've just told you from Amazon. Like you can just find a niche like pet niche or kitchen niche or music niche, and in that niche you need to find out some best selling t-shirt, and then you can just do the reverse method. Like you can just go on the storefront of that t-shirt, because if that t-shirt is actually selling, that means that particular seller must be having more t-shirt on their storefront. So go on their storefront and take the ideas from there, so you will be able to find some more sub niches. Like the pet is the main niche and the dog is a sub niche, and the dog slogan is a more sub niche. So if you find your sub niche and then start looking for some keywords for that niche, so you will be able to find many of the t-shirt ideas from there. So you can copy that idea, create your own artwork or slogan, and then upload directly on your Merch by Amazon account. So your store will be having too much t-shirts, and then you'll start getting too many sales. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.